Rob taught, built and repaired robots since 2007. Rob taught gifted kids in electronics, science, and alternative energy at private schools. Featured on the front page of the Vancouver province for a lithium battery fire prevention workshop. Team includes a former Boeing aircraft builder. Owns a Kelvin-type resistance meter for DC motor diagnosis. Owns 0 milliwatts and 1 milliampere electrical leakage clamp ammeters. Owns an oscilloscope. Owns a graphing multimeter. 8 advanced AI engines say that Rob's team has the most effective organization for detection and attenuation of AC ripple on medical lifts in violation of electrical regulations. Owns a 25 Hz thermal imager. Owns a plastic welder machine.